Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is November 29th, 2024, and we're tackling Microsoft stock. Recent news reveals the successful completion of the Microsoft Activision Blizzard deal, a significant event in the tech world. Many analysts are assessing the deal's impact on Microsoft's stock price and its future growth prospects. Various news outlets report diverse opinions on the stock's expected trajectory, with some suggesting a potential uptrend and others warning of potential corrections. Let's examine MSFT's price action across different timeframes to see if we can identify any patterns, support, resistance, and make some educated predictions. Looking at the daily chart, we observe a recent price drop from around 383 to 378.85. This represents a notable pullback from recent highs near 450. Let's zoom in on the last few weeks to analyze this recent downturn more closely. The hourly chart provides a more granular view of the price fluctuations. We can identify multiple support and resistance levels within this timeframe, which can be useful for short-term trading strategies. The price has fluctuated within a relatively tight range over the past few days, suggesting some consolidation before another potential move. Note the volume fluctuations on the hourly chart. Higher volume during sharp price movements indicates stronger conviction in those trades. Now, let's shift to the 15-minute chart for an even closer look at the recent price action. Here we can see the smaller price swings and possibly more pronounced trends on a short-term basis. The high frequency of trading on this time frame may reveal additional insights into immediate market sentiment. This view can be extremely helpful when assessing short-term buying and selling opportunities. Returning to the daily chart, the overall trend seems to be slightly bearish due to the recent drop from the highs and failure to break through certain resistance levels. However, this is not necessarily a confirmation of a long-term bearish trend. A longer-term view is needed to establish the long-term direction. It's important to note support near the 370 level and resistance at approximately 420. The successful breakout of the 420 resistance level would strongly suggest a shift to a bullish outlook. Conversely, a continued decline past the 370 support level could signify further bearish pressure. In summary, MSFT's price action presents a mixed picture. The short-term trend is slightly bearish following the recent pullback, while the long-term trend remains uncertain. The key price levels to monitor are the 370 support and the 420 resistance levels. Breaking above 420 would make the medium-term outlook more bullish. We will look for increased trading volumes as further confirmation of these price movements. Keep an eye on market news and announcements, particularly regarding the impact of the Activision Blizzard acquisition, for additional market signals.